Hello guys, welcome. Today we're gonna make tortilla and chocolate chip vegan cookies.
Alright, for the dry mix, start by crushing the tortilla chips with your hands to little bits. In a bowl, mix the flours, baking powder, baking soda, salt, chocolate chips, and 1/4 of the crushed tortilla chips. Whisk well until it's all combined and set aside. For the wet mix, start by melting the coconut oil, then add it to a bowl, then the sugars, vanilla essence, vinegar, water, and whisk until everything is emulsified. Then combine your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients and mix until it's all combined. Cover the bowl and let it rest for at least 1 hour in the fridge. Then scoop about 50 grams of dough with a spoon or with an ice cream scoop. Roll the dough with the crushed tortillas and press so that they stick to the dough. Then preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. While this is happening, put the cookie balls in the freezer. This should take about 10 minutes. Line a tray with baking paper and bake them for about 12 minutes. If you can resist, let the cookies cool down for around 30 minutes so they set. And there you go. Enjoy them with milk or coffee and your favorite people, and tell us all about it. See ya!